first wanted to get the Reach Easy, my husband's like, absolutely not. He's like, you can just climb up in the truck and get everything. And I'm like, I don't want to climb up in the truck and get everything. And so I got the Reach Easy and put it in his truck. It was really easy to install, and now I use it all the time. And actually he's come around and he really likes it and he uses it and he finds new uses for it all the time too. He's like, I finally started using that thing. He's like, that's really awesome. So I use it a lot when we go camping for like getting the empty cans out of the back of the truck and getting the coolers. But the brush I use a lot. I actually always attach the brush every time I'm clearing the cans out of the back of the truck. If you put the brush attachment on and then you just reach in with the brush, they just sweep right out. So I like find new uses for it every single day. Every time something's out of reach, I just, how could I get that? And I'm like, oh, Reach Easy. It works perfect for so many things.